creation of God through elements and chemical reactions. Explore on Chemi God.
नमस्कार, माई सेल्फ आलोक शर्मा, PGT Chemistry, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Gajner, Bikaner. I am going to discuss two things with you. Number one, concentration. What's the concentration? I will explain with the help of example. Second one, there are so many ways to represent concentration. Out of these way, one is molarity. So I will tell you what's the molarity and how can we prepare molar solution. So let me start with the concentration. What's the concentration? Let me take one example. I have two beakers. See, in first beaker it's 100 ml solution of common salt and second one 200 ml solution of common salt. In both beakers quantity of sodium chloride is same, 10 gram 10 gram, but which is more concentrated? Let me check. It's too salty, and here it's little salty, because in first beaker 10 gram of salt present in the 100 ml of water, and here 10 gram salt is present in 200 ml of water. So this one is dilute, this one is concentrated. But what exactly we measure? Now there is a question. If I have 5 beakers with different quantity of water, different quantity of solute NaCl, then how can I decide which is more concentrated, which is less concentrated, and how much difference in the concentration of first beaker and fourth beaker, first beaker and second beaker? So we must use the term concentration. There are so many ways to represent concentration: mass percentage, volume percentage, molarity, normality, molality, mole fraction, formality. So we have a variety of range depending upon the situation. Now I am going to tell about molarity, and first I will define molarity, then I will explain with the help of example. I will make a solution of particular molarity. Now what is molarity? This is molarity, the number of moles of solute per unit volume of solution. In other words, molarity is the number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution. Molarity is represented by capital M. Molarity is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution. That is NB, number of moles of B. B stands for solute, because solute present in less quantity, and A stands for solvent, which is present in more quantity. Now divided by volume, that is in liter unit. Now if we want to change unit of volume, if we want to represent or put the value of volume in milliliter, then we have to divide this volume by 1000, and actually this whole term represents the volume in liter. As you know, 1 liter contains 1000 milliliter. Now my question is here: prepare 250 ml of solution having molarity M by 20. So prepare. I have here a volumetric flask of 250 ml. This is first requirement, but now I will add water up to here. It will be 250 ml, and I will add some sodium chloride. How much? How much weight should I take? It's easy. Make some rearrangement in the previous formula. We have to calculate WB, weight of solute, which we will use to prepare the solution. Make some rearrangement in this formula to get WB, that is equal to molarity into gram molecular mass of solute, that is B, volume of solution in milliliter divided by 1000. According to question, molarity is 1 by 20, and gram molecular mass, that is actually gram formula mass, but in general practice we say gram molecular mass, which is wrong. Okay, gram formula mass of sodium chloride is 58.5 into we want to prepare solution how much 250 ml solution we want to prepare, and in the formula divided by 1000 to get the value of WB. WB comes 0.7313 gram, and we have to weigh this quantity. Now we have to weigh 0.7313 gram with using this digital balance. And here is 0.7313 gram of sodium chloride. I will use funnel to add sodium chloride into this 250 ml of volumetric flask. Okay, let me take this sodium chloride. With the help of wash bottle, I will transfer this sodium chloride into volumetric flask. No little particles should go outside of the watch glass or this funnel. Now let me finish this work. Oh, now lower meniscus raised up to the ring. And see, in case of colorless solution we see lower meniscus, and in colorful we see upper meniscus. Now we have prepared 250 ml solution of sodium chloride having molarity m by 20. Okay, have a nice day.